Alright, hi, we're going to show you an installation of some ToeGo pedals on a bike that had standard pedals. Since there is a left and a right side to your ToeGos, you're going to want to choose the side that you're working with. Here you can see the identifiable L or R of the pedal on that hardware. Let you know that that's the left or the right side. So we have two wrenches. Here we're using a 15mm park wrench, pedal wrench, to break the threads. You may need to use a breaker bar or a pair of channel locks if you're having difficulty making the swap. So once you get the standard pedal removed, you're going to want to inspect the threading of your crank arm and maybe clean it up with a wire brush. But it's very simple, and yeah, once again, once you get to this stage, double check. There you go, that is the right side for the proper side we're installing, and it goes on very easy and clean. So just make sure you tighten them fully and give it an extra tightening down of torque so they don't come off mid-ride. And yeah, enjoy your pedals.